Hi viewers, today I am going to talk about Provident Fund and how to withdraw Provident Fund easily online. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Please don't skip today's video and learn how to use the excessive money properly. First we will discuss what is PF. PF is a savings by an employee for the future use. They call it as Provident Fund. The eligibility to apply for PF is to have a basic pay which is below ₹15,000. If you have that, your employer will provide your PF account. Now let us see what are the documents we need to open a PF account. First of all, we need Aadhaar card, second PAN card, third bank passbook. It's almost like our ordinary bank account. A 13-digit number is given to us which is called a universal permanent number. We can also call it as UAN. A link is given in our description box for you to access the PF account. Please check it at the end. PF amount can be divided into two parts. First is employee contribution and second is employer contribution. 12% of the employee's income is credited to this PF account. For example, if your income is ₹10,000, 12% of it, which is ₹2,400, will be credited to the account per month. The transaction to this account can be checked in the above mentioned description, for which the link is given. Even you can download the passbook details in the website if you wish. Let us see what are the benefits of Provident Fund. First one is interest rate. 8% interest will be given to the money deposited in the PF account, which is far more better when compared to our savings account. Second one is income tax benefit. In this we'll see about EEE category benefits. EEE category benefit is given to the money deposited in the Provident Fund. EEE stands for exempted benefit. The amount claimed will be fully exempted by income tax. Now the third one is liquidity. The amount claimed in Provident Fund can be converted into cash easily within 15 days. Next, let us see a small comparison between Provident Fund and individual borrowing. A lot of us get loans for our circumstantial needs, loans like jewel loans, personal loans, and EMI, which may sound familiar to us. These are the loans we get for our commitments. For example, our child education expense, marriage expenses, buying mobile, bike, TV and AC in an EMI. You may think that why should we talk about loan here? Instead of getting unnecessary loans for our needs, it's better to claim our Provident Fund money frequently. Next, let us see the reasons for which we can claim the Provident Fund money. Provident Fund money can be claimed once the employee completed at least 3 months in a company. Provident Fund money can be claimed for medical emergencies and house construction works. 50% of total PF amount will be claimed. 100% claim is possible only when the employee resigns the job, which means like if there was no salary credited in his salary account for at least 2 months, and the employee must have resigned the job properly. Under these conditions, the 100% PF money can be claimed. Thanks for watching our video, and very shortly we'll upload the part 2 video of Provident Fund. Thank you once again.